Okay, so this is chapter 1 review. Our test will be on Wednesday. Okay? So as we review, boys and girls, you see how you have 1, 2, 3, 4? You're going to rate yourself of how well do you know that section, okay? What's your question over there? Your hand is up, Augusto. What is your question? Okay, so lesson 1.1. Write the value of the underlying digit. What is the value of an underlying digit? 90. What about the 5? 50,000. Number 3, 8,000. Please check your paper. Number 7, 700,000. So far, so good, correct? Okay. Now, which digit is in the hundreds place in this number? In the hundreds place is 5. 5. Okay, so you just put 5. That's it. Which number is in the 10? Which number is in the 10,000s place in the number? 3.
I'm checking with a pen.
That's fine. Check with a pen. So if you make a mistake, you know what was your original response and the one that we went over. Okay? Yes.
I didn't get them.
Okay, that's fine. This is what we're doing the review. Let's look at number 7. Identify the value of each digit in the number 615,347. So, identifying the value, what you're going to do is you look at number 6. So 6 is what? 600,000. That's the value. What is the value of the 10? Of the 1? 10,000. What is the value of the 5? 5,000. The value of the 3? 300. The value of the 4? 40. And those just 7 is the ones, okay? So if you did not do it like this, make sure that you fix it. Yes.
We haven't done it in expanded form.
This is not expanded form. This is just, you see where it says identifying? You're identifying the value of each one of the digits. Yes.
Is it okay if we did that, except instead of doing the 6 is that we just put the numbers?
What did you do?
Like I just did 6,000.
Did you put 600,000?
Yeah.
That's fine. That's fine. All I'm doing is I put each one of the digits with their value.
I did exactly what you
Okay,
did.
that's
but with
fine.
an equal sign.
That's fine. That's fine. Remember, as long as you have, let me underline what you need to have. You need to have the value of each digit. However you wrote it, it's okay with me as long as you're giving me the value of each one of the digits. I know that some people wrote an equal sign. Some of you might have done expanded form. I will accept expanded form too. Okay? Yes.
I kind of did the same thing, but without the
That's fine. If you have, do you have this?
I did. I wrote it down like the number.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let's move on to the next question. Please stop making noises. Let's move on to the next question. Number 8. Shh. Number 8. Which occupation corresponds to the number 5 in the 10,000s place? Okay, so we have account or auditor, cashier, customer service representative, construction worker, registered nurse, teacher. So we look for the 5 that's in the 10,000s place. We know that these digits, right, are in the 10,000s place. So which occupation is that? Customer service representative. Okay. Number 9. What is the value of the digit 8 in the registered nurses and teachers? So in the registered nurse, here's the 8. What is that value? 8,000. So I'm going to put 8,000 nurse. Now I look for the teacher. The teacher is the hundreds place. So 800 teachers. Okay? Now, we have reached the 1.1 lesson practice. So I want you to rate yourself. If you didn't do so well and you need more practice, you need to circle the 1. If you did almost all of them correct, put a 4. If you're in between, a 3 or a 2, depending on how you feel. That way you know how to go about practicing for the test. Okay? Let's go on to lesson 1.2 practice. So the lesson 2 was practice value patterns. Okay, the value patterns. Let's do this. Lesson 1.1 was easy, guys, right? Yeah. It wasn't hard, okay? It wasn't hard. So it says use a place value chart to answer the question, okay? Now, 10,000 is 10 times as great as what number? 1,000. Very good. Then 10,000 is 10 times as great as 1,000. Now, 70 is 1/10 of what number? 1/10 of 700. No, of 700. Of 700. I will go back to this lesson 1.2 tomorrow because I know that this lesson is an issue for everyone. Okay? Well, we'll review. We have today and tomorrow to review. Okay? Number 12. Complete the table. Here's the number 30, right? So 30 is 10 times as great as the number 300. And 30 is what? 1/10 of what number? Of the number 3. Excellent. 600 is 10 times as great as which number, boys and girls? 6,000. And 600 is 1/10 of which number? 60. 9,000, I hear a lot of talking. 9,000 is 10 times as great as which number, boys and girls? 90,000. Remember, if it says 10 times as great, all I'm doing is adding a 0. It's like multiplying by tens, by multiples of 10. So 9,000 is 1/10 of which number? 900. 20,000 is 10 times as great as which number? 200,000. And 20,000 is 1/10 of which other number, boys? 2,000. Very good. So do you see the pattern? Do you see the patterns? Okay. Now, number 13. Your friend says 500 is 10 times as great as 5,000. Is your friend correct? Is your friend correct? Yes.
No, because 500 is 1/10 of 5,000.
Correct. No, right? Because 5, I know. But if you put 500 is 1/10 of, I'm just going to put as great as what number? 5,000. Okay? If you did not include an explanation, you may add it right now. If you just put no, that's okay. Remember, I wasn't asking you for this. However, yeah, of course. However, you know, the test might have this, the explanation. Yes.
I put no, it is 10 times less.
As long as you have the no, okay? As long as you have the no. Okay, so rate yourself. I'm talking. Boys and girls, please. So rate yourself how well you did in lesson 1.2. Here's your scale. Remember, you put 1 if you need a lot of practice, 2 if you didn't do so well, 3 if you are okay, and 4 if you are 100% sure on how to do this type of exercises. Are you rating yourself? Okay, be honest, okay? Now let's take a look at lesson 1.3. 1.3. Read and write multi-digit numbers. Excuse me? What's the matter? I need you to look at your paper, not his, okay? Complete the table, right? The learning target was read and write multi-digit numbers in different forms. So here we have these expanded form, right? Now, we can tell that this number is 50,000. I'm going to write it in standard form first. 691, correct? Mm-hmm. So now in word form, we write 50,000 right, comma, 691. Okay, why don't we say the word and when we have a, go ahead.
And is for decimals.
And is for decimals. Very good. Please remember that. Okay, so now we read the word form. We have 702,500. Okay, 702,500. So let's do the expanded form first. You have 700, right? 2,000. So I know I have to, because it's in the thousands place, I know it has to be 700,000 plus this 2,000 plus what number? 500. Do we have anything in the tens? No. In the ones? No. So it ends right here, boys and girls. It ends right there. So now let's write it in standard form. It's 700, 2,000, right? Because the 2 is in the thousands place. 500. 500. How do we do? Good. Okay. This number, 993,004. That's it. 4. So 900. 993 thousands, and I'm gonna put a comma and I'm gonna finish it here, okay guys, because I don't have space. 4. In expanded form, are we checking? Plus 90,000, correct? Plus 3,000 plus 4. How do we do? Show me thumbs up if you're getting this correct. Okay, excellent. Very good. All right, so let's take a look at the check. By the way, this is one of the reasons why we need to learn how to write numbers. Okay, when you write a check, boys and girls, whatever you write here, whatever you wrote is what they're going to give the person. Even if you wrote this incorrectly. Yeah. Yes. So imagine if you did not spell it correctly, or if you meant, so it is important to know how to write. Yes, it is. It is. Now, today's day, you don't have to put it because that's not, but I know some of you did it. So let's do it, okay? Just pretend that this is a check. Okay, today is what? 8/25/25, okay? 825, 25. Okay, so pay to the order of compassionate care for all animals. Oh, that's nice. Someone's giving money to animals. And they are donating, hopefully, 14,000. It's right here, right?
Yeah.
That's 14,000. 10,000 plus 4,000, that's 14,000. Yes? 399. Is this what we wrote?
Yes.
14,000. So now let's write the check. Let's write it. I'm sorry, I can't see. Okay, 14,000. Comma 399. Okay, and of course every check needs a signature. I'm gonna sign. You can sign your own check. Okay. All right. So this is the first part of the review. I'm gonna stop the recording.